that it's not what you need. Tell you that I don't care. Anything that you say, I hear myself agreeing, and I don't recognize. I don't know why I want you so, 'cause I don't need a heartbreak. You hold on me, I can't shake. Oh, I'm not in control, so let me go. Release me, release my body. I know it's wrong, so why do I keep coming back? I say release me, 'cause I'm not able to convince myself that I'm better off without you.
O tsenya marapo mo dinameng, a utlwa?
Your singing was not that bad. Be more aggressive to our songs like these ones.
It's been such a good night that